Welcome all. Welcome to the world of Internet of Things. Okay. I think this is the last day of our session. Okay. So in previous session we learned about the history of Internet of Things, about the various type of role of internet in IoT. Okay. So flavors of IoT, many more things related to the Internet of Things, how we can connect the devices or components by in IoT technology. Okay, and I think the very important hardware and software combination, the very important kit, that is Raspberry Pi free B plus kit. Okay, and all information about that Raspberry Pi kit and how we can perform the experiments, various experiments by using that Raspberry Pi kit. Okay, so in today's session, we're going to learn the very important aspect related to the Internet of Things. Okay, so that is business aspect, how we can apply that IoT technology into our business, okay, so that it will help to reduce the various problems related to the manual work. Okay, and we have to improve the automation in our business. So, and what are the basic advantages to using IoT in our business? Okay, so and what are the barriers? So it is very important point. What are the barriers to adoption of IoT technology? Okay, so all of these points we are going to cover in today's session. So I think without wasting more time, let's get start our today's session. Okay, so in this session, I want to share you one PPT. Okay, which is related, to our session. Okay, so I will show you one PPT. Okay, just right here. Okay, I think you all are able to see that PPT. Okay, so in this is our today's topic. Okay, IoT benefits to an organization. Okay. In this topic, we're going to cover various subpoints like benefits of IoT to an organization. Okay, like what are the various types of barriers while if you are going to adopt the IoT technology, what are the barriers are there? Okay, so and very important point, that is what is the future scope of IoT? Okay, so let's start our first point. That is the 10 ways that business can take advantage from IoT technology. Okay, so you know what? I choose just 10 ways. Okay, there are many ways that can business can take advantages from the IoT. Okay, so the first way, you can say the first way. The first way is to increase business opportunities. Okay, see, if you are using IoT technology into your business, okay, if see there are many many problems while adopting the IoT technology, but you're using this technology into your business, then automatically it will increase your business opportunities. Okay, I want to explain this point. Will want to tell you that you can business opportunity, it means what? It will give a very huge amount of opportunities to the skilled persons which are skilled in that IoT sector. Okay, it will automatically increase business opportunities. Means what? It will automatically increase skilled persons requirement into which are working, which are having some degrees in the IoT sector. Okay, you know what? If you are doing automation in your business, then you just need to a skilled persons. Okay, into that specific field. Okay, so I think this is the first requirement. Okay. And I think IoT empowers the business to look for the, I think, new opportunities. Okay, and IoT provides them the way, or we can say that path to get benefited from the new revenue streams. Okay, so I think IoT driven innovations establish strong user stories. Okay, and minimize market time and consequently improve the returns of investment of business. Okay. If you're investing, if you're using technology IoT into your business, then there are a lot of chances that you will get your revenue, you will get a profit from it. Okay, so this is all about the business opportunities. So what is in that point? If you're using IoT technology into your business, then it will improve, it will increase the requirement of a skilled labor, skilled persons, okay, which are very strong in that specific area like Internet of Things. Okay, and if you're using this specific technology into your business, okay, then it will it will make profit for you, and it will return your revenues to your business. Okay, so that is what is the second point. Okay, what is the second way? The second way is that efficient processes. Okay, you know what? In in any business, in any industry, there are lots of processes. Okay, so there are various type of processes takes place in the business, takes place in various industries. Okay, if you see, if you want to make efficient process, okay, efficient. Sorry, efficient means what? Efficient, it means if you are in, if you are investing, you are investing your money. Okay, so that amount of money is, I think, low. Okay, if you are investing smaller amount of your money and you are getting profit by using various processes, the profit is into huge amount. Okay, if you're investing your money, the amount is little bit smaller. Okay, but when you're getting profit from that investing money, the profit is, I think, bigger than that investment amount. Okay, so and at that time you are using that processes. Okay, and that processes are the efficient processes which will give you 100% profit. Okay, so that these processes are the efficient processes. Okay, so efficient processes in IoT. Okay, so if you are analyzing the real-time operations, okay, which are performing in your industry, which are performing in your business, okay, then IoT can enables the business to be the very smarter, that processes to be the very smarter. See, if your business become very smarter, then you ultimately your processes becomes very smarter. Okay, see, if you are automating your processes, you do the if you do the automation in your processes, see, after that your processes will automatically mm, operated by any computer, by any devices. Okay, by any technology. See, after that, see, you are investing lots of money into that. When you are starting that manufacturing, that efficient processes, or when you are starting putting your money into that process, the first amount is very huge. Okay, after that you don't need to take care of that processes. After that you don't need to maintain that processes. That IoT technology will automatically do that work. Okay, so this is all about the efficient processes. Okay, third point is improve asset utilization and increases productivity. Okay, if you are using the IoT technology in If you're using the IoT technology into your system, into your business, then then automatically the it will increase the productivity. Hey, see, if you're using the IoT technology into your business, into your processes, okay, ultimately if you're using automation into your business, if you're using automation into your business, then it will increase your productivity. Okay, if you're increasing your productivity, then it is, see, if you're using, if you're increasing your productivity, okay, how you will increase your productivity? If you can make that, if you can make that processes efficient, then also you can use, then you can improve your productivity. Okay, so improve asset utilization. Yeah, it means what? Asset. See, you are investing some money into your business. Okay, into by using this technology. Okay, if you see, if you are having any industry that is having some manual processes. Okay, after that you want to install some IoT technology into that processes into your business. Okay, if you are if you want to install some IoT technology into your business, then you need to put your money there. Okay, so if you are putting money into that automation, into that IoT technology, then your returns are good. Okay, so this is asset. And one more thing is there. Okay, if your income is good, then one more thing is there, like, if, see, you are investing your money only single time. Okay, you don't need to invest your money a lot of time, like 2 or 3 times. Okay, so you are investing your money only single time, then see, it will automatically utilize your cost, okay, your assets. Okay, so this is all about the third point. Okay, the fourth point is improve safety and security. See, if you're doing business, if you're a businessman, okay, so having a safe environment, having great security, it is a very important aspect while for any businessman. Okay, see, if you're using IoT technology into your business, so automatically it will improve safety of your business and security of business. Then you can say how it will improve. See, in IoT technology we're using multiple types of sensors. Okay, in IoT technology we're using multiple types of actuators, multiple types of electronic devices. Okay, so if you're using cameras into your IoT technology, okay, then it is very easy to, then it is very easy to get safety from the devices. Okay, so this is all about the safety and security. Okay, the fifth point is the cost saving. Okay, I will tell you in I will I see I told you in third point, it is improve cost utilization. It is like that. Okay, so cost saving, you are investing your money in only single time. You don't need to your invest money in multiple times. Okay, so see, it is always better to invest money single time. So so it is the technology is cost saving. Okay, so your first investment is, I think, bigger. You are investing, so you are investing your money single time, so the first cost, the first revenue is, I think, bigger, because the technology having a lot of type sensors and electronic devices. The cost of that electronic, it can be vary, but it can be uh, larger than the manual devices or the manual working processes. Okay, but you have to invest your money that is single time. Okay, so that's why this process will automatically cost saving process. Okay, so the sixth point is that efficient process flow. Okay, so I think this is very important aspect in any business. Okay, if you are not having, if your business not having that efficient process flow, then you can't get output. Then you can't get your desired output from that business. This is a simple explanation for this. See, your your process flow is good. See, your process flow is good, then only you can achieve your desired output. Okay, see, if you are having very skilled persons, okay, if you are having money to invest IoT technology, okay, but after investing that you can't get a flow. Okay, if you can't able to get the flow of that processes, okay, of that efficient processes, then you can't achieve your output. So you need a efficient process flow. Okay, and if you are able, if you are unable to in to put the IoT technology into your business, then you'll ultimately get a efficient process flow. Okay, so see, these points are very important when, and we just have to discuss that point. There is not the test technical aspects related to the internet of things. It is just a business aspect, how we can use the IoT technology into business, how the business can take advantage from it. Okay, these all are not technical points, so I think we don't need to that technical explanation related to that. Okay, if you see the all points, see, these points are very, I think, I don't need to explain that point one by one, but I'm going to explain you one by one, because this is very cost saving, efficient process. These are very uh, simple points related to the internet of things. Okay, so the next point is that customer insights. Okay, see, customer insights, I think there is spelling mistake, like customer, so you can able, I think, able to see that. So this point is that customers insight. Okay, so what is the customers insight? See, if you're using IoT technology into your business, then what is the customers insight? Okay, see, if you are having any business, okay, and you are having 100 customers uh, daily. Okay, see, I will give you one example to explain that point. Okay, if you are having your own business and you're having daily 100 customers, okay, so if you use manual work to do that customer, okay, to to give your, to fulfill that customer's requirement, that you are doing the manual work to fulfill the customer requirement. Okay, it means your business processes are manual. These are not automated. These you are not using IT technology into that your business. Okay, so that, see, you are only capable to fulfill 100 customers requirement. You are not capable to fulfill that more than 100 people's requirement. Okay, so this is, I think this is very huge drawback if you're using that manual kind of technology into your business. See, if you are investing that money into the business, if you are if you use IoT technology into your business, then you are able to increase the number of customers, and you are able to increase the request fulfillment of number of customers. Okay, then you are able, if you're using this IoT technology, then you are able to fulfill more than 100 customers. If you are using manual technology, then you are only using 100 customers. Okay, if you're using more than, if you're using IoT technology, then you are able to increase the number of customers daily. Okay, so this is the customer insight. So 8 1 is more data gathering. Okay, see, you, if you want to gather the data, okay, but your all processes are, I think all processes are manual. Okay, see, If you're doing manual work, then it will take some time. Okay, you will get more data from that manual work, but you will require more time to get that data. Okay, so if you're using the IoT technology, you will automatically gather more data into less time. So this is the very big advantage of that IoT technology. Okay, so next point is that remote working. Okay, I think i I told you this remote working into that history point of IoT. Okay, so I think this is about the David Nicholas. This is the first interconnected device. He made first interconnected device, and that first interconnected device was remotely controlled by the David Nicholas. Okay, so this is like a remotely working. See, if you remotely work, if you remotely handle your all processes, okay, then you don't need to get upset about any problem. Okay, see, there are, if you are operating your all system by using remote, or you can operate remotely, it means you can operate it manually. So not manually, you can operate it by using automated processes. Okay, see, if you are operating your processes remotely, then you need, if you want to operate that processes, okay, remotely, then you must need to install the IoT technology into your business. Okay, remotely working, it means was automatically working. Okay, you see, the single person can handle all of these things, okay, into your business. Oh, 10th one is very important point, I think. That is quality control. Okay, see, if you're doing manual processes, okay, into your business, then the accuracy of that, then the accuracy is less. If your accuracy is less, then you will get uh, poor quality of your product. See, if there are machine, see, if in your business the machines are working, then automatically the accuracy of machine is good, is very good than the human being. Okay, so you will get a more quality product from the technology. Okay, so that's why you must have to use in IT technology into your business. Okay, I will summarize this all points into uh, a single point. Okay, see, if you want to take advantages from IoT, okay, if you want to take advantages from the IoT technology, then you must know what are the benefits of IoT. Okay, see, if you are using IoT technology into your business, it will increase your business opportunities. It will make process flow better. It will give a very quality product. Like, it will save your cost. It means what? The IoT technology will give you very huge amount of profits. Okay, so in this point I want to explain you that main purpose, that is, if you're using IoT, then you are able to get more profit. Okay, so I will summarize this point. So the next point, so the next point is, hmm, so the next point is IoT adoption barriers. Okay, the first barrier is security barrier. Okay. I will tell, I told you about the security into the advantage. Then you will say that you think, I think, uh, how this is the barrier. Security is how it can be barrier. Okay, see, if you're using video cameras into your system, okay, sometimes, okay, see, I use word sometimes. Okay, sometimes there are technical problems related to that video camera. If the technical problem occur in that camera, then at that time your security is failed. Understand? See, IoT is made up of multiple systems. If a single system collapse, then are all system will get collapsed. Understand what I want to tell you? The security purpose. If you are using the security system by using IoT technology, okay, if in that security system that one component will, if that one component is collapsed, then your all system is collapsed. Okay, so I think the security is the first IoT adoption barrier. Okay, so the second thing is integration. See, if you're having a great knowledge about the components, okay, if you want to integrate some, see, integration, it means was if you want to connect the multiple devices, then you require knowledge about that multiple devices. Okay. If you don't have knowledge related to that multiple devices, then you can't able to join that, to integrate that components or devices. Okay, so I think this is a very important barrier, okay, in while adopting uh, IoT technology. Okay, so the third one is cost. Okay, I will tell you, if you don't have that enough money to invest the to invest your money into that IoT technology, okay, then this is a big problem for you. Okay, if you are having not, see, the if you are investing money single time, but that single time money is uh, having a huge amount. Okay, so it is like a barrier while adopting. So I think everyone cannot have a huge amount of money like to invest in various technologies. Okay, so the fourth point is that digital divide. Okay, so what is that digital divide? See, there are some components from the electronics device. There are some component from there are some components from the, wait a minute, sorry for that inconvenience. Okay, so the fourth point is that digital device. Okay, so what is the digital divide? Okay, so digital divide is the gap, okay, between the electronic devices. Okay, you can say what kind of gap is there. Okay, see, when the system is made up of multiple devices, when a system is made up of multiple devices, there are a lot of types of sensors, actuators. See, if a single sensor, okay, can't able to do that work, then there is a digital gap. Okay, so I think you will get an idea about the digital gap. See, digital divide or digital gap, it means what? Digital divide, it means, see, if if you want to make a system, okay, if you if you want to make a system, but you can't able to make that system because you don't have knowledge about that system. Okay, so some some people who don't know about anything about the technology of IoT, so this digital divide is for that kind of people. Okay, so our next point, the future of IoT with advanced technologies. For that, I want to show you one best video for the better understanding of the future of advanced IoT technologies. Okay,
Do you think an orchid will ever be able to tell its story? Do you think a flower will one day tell us where it was grown, how it was treated, or how it got here. Do you think it's possible to teach traffic to speak? Do you think a car can call an ambulance faster than a phone? Do you think it's possible for devices to automatically deliver important, often life-saving data to those in charge? Can you imagine an ambulance that gathers critical information before arriving at the hospital? And that a patient could be examined before he even enters the emergency room, saving precious time for the patient and his family. None of this is science fiction. It's all part of a concept that our team has been working on for several years, the Internet of Things. The main challenge for making this dream come true is finding a way to connect many different applications and technologies in one coherent network. The thing is, they are not connected. For instance, there are 6 different systems at work in our medical example. We call them silo applications. Before the devices can talk to each other, we need to provide them with a common language. In other words, a set of design rules, protocols, and interoperable technologies. That's exactly what IOTA does. It installs a sort of grammar. IOTA's first task is to identify the basic components of each application silo. Next, all those components must be broken down into smaller elements. IOTA now arranges those elements into a more general framework, the IoT Architecture Reference Model, ARM, for building a never-ending variety of IoT applications. The IoT ARM is a sort of compendium for a common language of the Internet of Things, a toolbox for developers. So yes, in the future, things will talk to us and to each other to make our lives easier and safer. And we will make them talk.
So I think hope you'll got you will get that all points which we learn into this session. Okay, and hope you will enjoy. I think you enjoyed this session. Okay, and if you want to know more about the Internet of Things, so we're going to arrange the advanced course for this Internet of Things. Okay, so you can join there in advanced course. Okay, so you will get a better knowledge from that course. Okay, so thank you so much for your support. Thanks a lot.